Hey YouTube, we got new content for you guys. We're going through Carbon Canyon in Chino Hills, California. It's one of the easier tracks or easier roads to be on over here in Chino Hills before you try Angel's Crest. If you're a beginner and want to try something different, try something new, in regards to cornering, an easy place is definitely Carbon Canyon. So come check it out. There's not a lot of sharp curves, so it's definitely for the beginners or intermediate. You can go a little fast on there. This bar right here is the only real difficult part, and it's 15-mile-an-hour zone. But we took it at 25, and we felt pretty good. We might go a little faster next week, but yeah, this is the place to be if you want to try out some cornering and get better at cornering. Perfect for beginners and intermediate again. So have a good time there. Take it easy. Don't push yourself too hard. Be safe. All right. Enjoy the video.
Jump off the plane with no parachute, but I can't complain. There's one place I'd land, but I can't seem to mind. How far would you go when you love someone? As far as I have to, cause she's the one. Girl, I know that it's hard out here, but I'ma love you in a different way, different way. Darling, I need you in my life, and darling, you tripping inside, girl, I'm losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Got my arms open and I'm falling for you. Losing my mind. Don't know what to do. Got my arms open and I'm falling for you, girl. And I'm falling for you, girl. And I'm falling for you, girl. Tell me what you need and I'll provide it for your love. I got no time to play around, but I got time for lots of fun. If me and you will get together, we can be something forever. And I'll probably never let you go, probably never let you go.
Gonna make your mind, little darling. First thing on my mind in the morning. Hugging, kissing, and loving, all the charm and everything that comes with being my boo. Don't hear me now. Gonna make your mind, little darling. First thing on my mind in the morning. Hugging, kissing, and loving, all the charm and everything that comes with being my boo. Don't hear me now.
Don't know what to do. Got my arms open, I'm falling for you. Losing my mind, don't know what to do. Got my arms open and I'm falling for you, girl. And I'm falling for you, girl. And I'm falling for you, girl.
that's it for now. We're gonna look forward to doing some other locations for you guys, so keep an eye out for those episodes, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next content. Have a good one. Take care.